This foldable sauna tent weighs just 27 kilograms and sets up in 3 minutes. The included stainless steel wood stove heats it to 93 degrees Celsius in 30 minutes, even on a snowy mountain. Price about $1,100.
Weighs under 200 grams, fits in your hand, and filters water in 30 minutes, removing 99% of viruses and all bacteria. Filters up to 120 liters. Price? About $45.
A fun camping and home accessory, a small rubber hedgehog that speeds up drying clothes in the dryer. It tumbles with laundry, improves air circulation, and reduces drying time. Price about $12.
A 7-kilogram wood stove that quickly heats tents and cooks food. Includes a 2-meter chimney, and its compact size makes it easy for one person to carry. Perfect for large tents and harsh winters. Price about $114. A compact gas heater warming up to 42 square meters runs on a 3.8-liter propane tank lasting almost 11 hours. Auto shut-off to tipped over or low oxygen. Price about $247. Designed for minus 30 degrees Celsius cold, this sleeping bag weighs only about 1.4 kilograms. A special hood prevents condensation and frost from breathing. Developed with polar explorer Eric Larson, who has 20-plus years of Arctic experience. Price around $950.
This all-wheel drive amphibious vehicle with a 26-horsepower engine can carry up to 306 kilograms and reach speeds up to 21 kilometers per hour. Snow, ice, or even open water, it handles it all. Once parked, you can unfold the shelter and drill up to 4 fishing holes from inside, staying warm and cozy. Price about $30,000.
A fun gadget for ice fishing fans, it drops into a hole and chills up to 12 cans, and the next floats up automatically. The water cools the drinks without freezing them. Price $37. Ice axes aren't just for climbers. They can anchor tents or serve as walking sticks. Some weigh as little as 200 grams. Short versions like the 50-centimeter Petzl Lite R easily fit in a backpack. Price? Around $83. This sleeping bag keeps you warm at negative 40 degrees Celsius. The secret is aerogel, 99.8% air, making it light, around 1.8 kilograms, and water repellent. Bigloo offers real comfort in extreme cold. A lightweight, powerful ice auger that works with a cordless drill. Weighs about 2.5 kilograms, drills ice up to 60 centimeters thick with strong blades. Great for all conditions. Price around $230. A unique shovel transforms into part of a tent frame. Its hollow handle hides a 2.4-meter pole, and the blade can break ice. The whole tent weighs only 720 grams, perfect as an emergency shelter. Price around $120. A compact 415-gram kit for cooking, boiling, and even making sauces. Patented heat control, and a single gas can boils up to 12 liters of water. Price? About $141. These all-season gloves have graphene heating elements producing gentle infrared warmth, like a mini sauna. One charge keeps your hands warm for 6 to 7 hours, even in cold weather. Merino wool heated socks keep you warm for up to 16 hours and cover the calves too. Includes a remote control for temperature, and the fabric helps reduce odors. A pour-over coffee maker with a 300-milliliter thermal mug. Just add coffee and pour hot water. Includes filters and a scoop. Price $49. A hybrid knife mixing a blade and Japanese hori-hori shape. Cuts, chops, and digs. 121mm steel blade. Weighs 510 grams. Comes with durable sheath. Price about $300.
A lightweight 800-gram inflatable chair holds up to 150 kilograms, quick to inflate with reinforced bottom and stake straps. Price about $87.
Yeti Outdoors built a true mobile fishing house. Inside, you can add an underwater camera with a monitor, AC, furniture, and even plumbing. The largest 7.3-meter version sleeps up to 11 people, while the mini kitchen with a stove and microwave keeps everyone fed. Price? Over $40,000. Lightweight, compact, natural fire starters. Ignite instantly, work even in rain and wet conditions. Great for quick, hassle-free campfires. Price around $10 per pack.